Hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to have a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of leadership, agile, and project management. You can help me with that aim either by subscribing to my channel or sharing my videos with your friends and peers who are in need, right? So, having said that, let us get into today's video. We are currently discussing topics in SAP 6.0, particularly glossary items. So today's topic is Lean UX. Lean user experience, right? Which is Lean UX. It is a team-based approach to building a better products by focusing less on the theoretically ideal design and more on iterative planning, iterative learning, overall user experience, and customer outcomes. Right, so we are not talking about upfront design or a theoretical design, right? All we are talking about lean UX travels with your lean startup or design thinking. It is more of iterative learning, highly user experience oriented and customer outcomes oriented. Lean UX design extends the traditional UX role beyond merely executing design elements and anticipating how users might interact with the system. Instead, it encourages a far more comprehensive view of why a feature exists, the functionality required to implement it, and the benefits it delivers. By getting immediate feedback to understand if the system will meet the fundamental business objectives, Lean UX provides a closed loop method for defining and measuring value. Let's try to understand some more details on Lean UX. Generally, UX represents a user's perception of a system, right? It might be a ease of use, it could be utility, or it could be the effectiveness of UI you build it. UX design focuses on building systems that demonstrate a deep understanding of end users. It considers users' needs and wants while making allowances for their context and limitations. When using agile methods, a common problem is how best to incorporate UX design into a rapid iteration cycle, resulting in a full stack implementation of new functionality. Right? When teams attempt to resolve complex and seemingly subjective user interactions while simultaneously trying to develop incremental deliverables, they can often churn through many designs, creating frustration with agile. Right? Fortunately, the lean UX movement addresses this using agile development with lean startup implementation approaches. The mindset, principles, and practices of SAFe reflects this thinking. This process often begins with SAFe lean startup cycle, right? It continues developing features and capabilities using a lean UX process, right? As a result, agile teams and agile release trains can leverage a common strategy to generate rapid development, fast feedback, and a holistic user experience that delights users. What we're saying now is the lean UX process, right? So there is a book called Lean UX. Gothef and Sweden, right? The authors of that book, Lean UX, describe a model, right? So that has been adopted in SAFe as well, right? So the model explained by Lean UX book is you start with benefit hypothesis, do a collaborative design, and build MMF, which is minimum marketable features, or you can call that as an MEP, minimum viable product. And then you evaluate, and then it goes on. If you want to change the hypothesis, you can change hypothesis or create a new hypothesis, follow the same process. Go with the collaborative design, build MVP, evaluate. So it's kind of plan, do, check, act kind of a cycle, which has been explained in Lean UX by Gothi and Sriran. The same thing is adopted in SAFe as well, right? So with that, we come to the conclusion of this particular video. Hope you guys got a fair view on Lean UX. So summary of this video is Lean UX is completely different from your traditional user interface designing or traditional user experience way of working. It's a team-based approach. We do it collaboratively. It's an outcome-based, and it is more fits into iterative cycles of agile, right, development streams. And it is will be very effective if you use it with lean startup cycle. I mean, lean startup approach, right? And we also talked about the process, lean UX process. You start with building hypothesis and go for collaborative design and build your MMF or MEP and then evaluate and follow the same cycle. You can repeat it. Hope you guys like these kind of videos. Hope it improves your knowledge and increases your agile vocabulary as such. If you like it, please like this video and share to many people across globe, right? That will help us with a lot of diverse thoughts, which would help a well balanced knowledge platform, right? With that, I'm signing off. See you in the next video.